In this video here, I'm here with Chrissy. She's gonna be printing up on the Roland BT-12. You guys are gonna get to see her print up 16 shirts, $240 worth of shirts, kid shirts for a class, in about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, right in that range. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. How you guys doing? My name is Stan from T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I help you start t-shirt businesses from home or where you at. And in this video, like I said, Chrissy's about to get tutored and start printing right after the intro. Okay, let's jump right into it. But before we do, you guys know what I need you to do for me. I need you to like this video, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, because I make videos like this all the time. So right now, I'm here with Chrissy, and Chrissy's gonna print all of these shirts, and I'm gonna give her 2 minutes of training on how to line up the shirt. So pretty much all we have to do, artwork's already prepared, it was sent to us. I just loaded in the software. We open this up here, and we gotta line up the shirt. So in order to line up the shirt, we're gonna be about 2 fingers or an inch off the collar here, hanging off. The way I like to do it, this is a little awkward because it's smaller than what like a heat press plaque means or something like that. So I'm using a circle clothing shirt right now. The kids' shirts are gilded. So I like to just kind of like do the same thing I normally would do, which is overload and then drag it straight up the center. Kind of using this center line as a guide, but we really don't trust those either. All right, so then I'm gonna come off about an inch. I'm a little too far off, so I'm gonna drag it back a little bit. I'm about an inch off the edge there, and now we have to measure the size just to make sure it's centered. So what I like to do is kind of hold my hands here and just kind of make sure that it looks centered to me, and that looks good. And once I'm done that, I'm just gonna tuck everything in here. Tuck it all under, and then we are going to close it up. All right, so that's how you line up your shirt. So now it's your turn. All right, switch sides, and then it's your turn. And the reason I like to have 2 of these cassettes, I probably want to get 1 more, is because when you got one printing and one in the dryer, you can just kind of cycle through the process and get it rolling. So that looks good. We want to make sure it's flat. All right, let me check it. Let me check. Always gotta check the first couple. Actually, it's pretty good. All right. So now you're gonna close it up. Now, I'm gonna give you the full thing, but usually when it's flat like this, we don't have to actually heat press it before you put it in. But sometimes if you got any wrinkles on here or something like that, you wanna make sure that it's completely flat. So I'm gonna reposition you guys. We're gonna head over to the printer, and then we're gonna print it. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is go ahead and open the bottom tray and load that in there. So you open that. First hit, we just gonna go to the left just for about 5 or 10 seconds. We really don't need it, but we do that just so that it lays flat. You good to go. Now you're gonna take it out and put it in the top. All right, now that it's set, we're gonna head over to the computer, and here's our artwork right here. And you're just gonna click print and print, and then we're gonna come back here, and it's gonna say the start key will start blinking once it got all the data from the print job. Press the start key, print. All right, so now you take a look, and it definitely looks a lot darker. So I like to print twice. If I find something or a way to adjust the ink levels when printing on a Mac, I will make a video on it, but right now I don't know. So all right, we're gonna pop it out, put it in the bottom, and then we're gonna go right first for 30 seconds, and then we're gonna go left for the last 30. All right, so you guys just got to watch Chrissy print up about 16 shirts. We charge $15 a shirt, so that's $240. Probably took like an hour and a half-ish, 2 hours of printing. Yeah, so how was the process? This is actually your first time printing shirts.
Yes, it was easy.
So anything, like this is one of the easiest things. Pretty much, as you guys know, when it comes to actually doing anything with heat pressing or stuff like that, for the most part, just lining the shirt up flat is the challenge for most people. Just making sure it's straight and everything is printed correctly. And that's where it all starts at. The rest of the technical stuff can be added on later. So she only got trained for about 2 minutes, which you guys saw. And then I pretty much paid her no mind the rest of this time. So here's the shirt she printed last, and it looks flat, straight, added to the pile. And now we got one more in the dryer over there, I believe. Oh, it's ready to go in the dryer. The last one is ready to go in the dryer. So I got a question the other day, and somebody, or no, I got a comment the other day where somebody was basically like, if you want to know the truth about this machine, X, Y, and Z, follow the forum or whatever. I'm in the forum, okay? And I ask questions in there, I learn in there, I answer questions as well. And some of the supplies, in my opinion, are a little bit overpriced. You know, the little damper thing that you need to clean the print head. I think a bag of those are like 75 bucks, which is bananas. So pretty much I just reuse the same one since every time I've cleaned the machine. And that's pretty much it. Other than that, I told you guys what this is good for. This is good for kids shirts, small things, small prints, even adult shirts across the chest. It's not going to get you an oversized print. But if you have something like this, this was the perfect job. Light color shirt, print the ink on it, and we're good to go. And how fast can you have somebody printing? Again, she didn't do anything with the artwork outside of press print. And you can have somebody printing in like literally 5 minutes, and you can walk away and leave them, in my opinion. So I hope you guys found this video useful. I'm also gonna post a comment right here where somebody said they made about 800 bucks in the first the next day, like 2 hours or something like that, or the next day after they got their machine. So don't let people make the decision for you. If this is something that you feel fits your business, use it. If not, move on. It's that simple. This has been your boy Stan Basement T-shirt Side Hustle here with Chrissy. Peace.